Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So today I'm going to do a general reading. I don't know, I just felt that today we should do a general reading for everyone. So I've taken three cards and kept. Let me flip the cards. Okay, it's a beautiful card. The World, the Death card, and the Page of Wands. So today, when I see these cards, let me tell you one thing. Let's not go with the name of the cards. We shall go with what I feel as the images. A day of joy, a day of happiness. You will feel that accomplishment inside you. You will feel happy that you were able to handle things well. Though the card comes as death card, the next card, I feel whatever you have accomplished, that will transform you into a much more powerful person. It will transform you into a much more confident person. You will feel, yes, now on I can enjoy the things, I can plan the things the way I want, and I have got clarity as to how I should further lead my life towards a victorious life, because that's how I feel the cards are sequencing. I feel that today, some, maybe for some of you, a project will get over. For some of you, if you're looking in for a life partner, you will get a life partner and you'll be very happy that you selected the right partner. Some of you may decide on taking some firm decisions in life, and you will come out successfully because you will know, yes, the decision was for good and that decision has given you some clarity and insight. But overall, sorry, I had to put a pause, so I'm back now. So whatever it is that you take a decision, I feel it will go towards a better future. And yes, I feel work wise also it's going to be enjoyment. You are taking one step forward. Maybe some of you might get a promotion, appraisal may come in your favor. Some of you may end up getting a salary increase or some income increase, or those who are in business, maybe something comes. Let us see what the abundance cards are talking about when it comes to the finances today. It says attracting, not chasing. So don't run behind something. It basically means attract it. Chasing energies always give us hurt or doesn't allow us to get what we want. Wherein if you attract, you become a magnet of attraction, then you will get whatever you desire, and you will get it the way actually you want it, and you'll feel happy that it is happening. Today I would say one thing, that in the morning, if possible, have a bath with little bit of rose quartz soaked in water, because you need to attract good things and you need to be positive throughout the day. Also carry the rose quartz with you if you can. Carry some rose quartz with you if you can. And today also, what you can do is, you can in the morning, sit in front of your altar table and then chant Om Namah Shivaya 108 times first, followed by Om Gan Ganapatiye Namaha 108 times, and then just pray to God that things work beautifully, and whatever transformation that is coming today makes it beneficial for you. Today, the color that you should wear, I feel, is either white or light blue, and things will definitely fall in your favor and things will really go well. Have a blessed day ahead. God bless you all. Thank you.